Dozens of people coming together in Kensington Market today outside a supervised consumption site, one of the ones that the Ford government announced would be shut down last month. It's happening in a community unlike others in the city where some say it's supported.
We save lives! We save lives!
People that can't help themselves, that's what we're here for, to help each other.
The voices were varied. Clients, supporters, community organizations, and politicians all trying to make the case that providing a safe space for drug use saves lives. Kensington is one of 5 Toronto sites set to be shut down after the Ford government's decision to close facilities close to schools and childcare centers by the end of March next year.
When you don't have supervised consumption, you have unsupervised consumption. And living in an alleyway, I know where they'll go. Seeing the park, we know where they'll go. The conversation around public bathrooms, we know where they'll go. Inside the center, a room set aside with a few tables and support staff that's existed now for 6 years inside a larger community hub. Those in charge say they were taken back by the decision, believing they have provided more help than harm.
We were hoping there'd be an announcement to talk about how there could be more sites, bigger sites, more hours of care and support. But the opposite happened, and they're cutting the services in Toronto drastically and dramatically.
Again this week, the Premier defended the province's actions.
We've seen over and over again since the safe consumption sites have come in, it hasn't gotten better. It's gotten worse, a lot worse.
A spokesperson for Health Minister Sylvia Jones told CityNews that, quote, communities, parents and families across Ontario have made it clear that the presence of drug consumption sites near schools and daycares is leading to serious safety problems. We agree.
We save lives!
The province will spend $380 million to create addiction recovery hubs, while the opposition continues to try and make the case to keep sites like the one in Kensington open.
We are going to use every tool we have to make sure that we're making decisions based on evidence, because we need to solve our opioid addiction crisis by meeting people where they're at.
At the same time, there are a number of business owners who did approach us, chose not to be on camera, saying that they have been harassed at different times and actually agree with the government's decision. Mark McAllister, City News.